Good afternoon from Grand Plumbing Farm, around 1 p.m. And just got back from the co-op. Got some feed for the goats and a selenium block. Hopefully that helps them out. Anyway, it's 83 degrees right now, so I'm going to take this feed down there to the barn and check your waters again. Sally's checking out the chicks. We grew one of these in the incubator, and the other ones were left behind a store somewhere. They called my daughter-in-law, and she went and picked them up. CJ's driving the Escalade with his dad, but it doesn't go. I'm down there changing the water. It's about 5:30, and it's 90 degrees. Pretty nice day.
Anytime he hits a little hole.
It's about 8:20 in the evening, and it's still 85 degrees. So this is our last check of the animals tonight. It's been a hot day. They went through a lot of water, and they seem to be okay. I'm happy. Anyway, got a family over. It's this Saturday evening, so I'll catch you next time.